Hello and welcome to SIBO Volatility 411. My name is Dan Deming and I'm with KKM Financial. We're looking at VIX cash right around the 2160 level currently, and that's the low end of the range for today. That's the low end of the range for the week, and that's down from a high of 29.19 on Monday. So we are seeing a staircasing lower the VIX cash as the SPX and the market in general has found the ability to rally here the last several days. Looking at the roll market on the VIX futures, currently about $2 between January and February. Now, I do want to point out that VIX expiration is post-SPX expiration this cycle, so VIX expiration is a week from next Wednesday. Looking at the February-March roll, that's about 45 cents. So we are seeing contango in the front 3 months or so futures. Then when you get to April, through the rest of the summer pretty much, it's a very flat term structure with the futures hovering right around 25.60. Looking at realized volatility, we are seeing a shift there in short-dated realized volatility, 10-day realized volatility up from 7% to 12.5% week over week. So again, we're starting to see a trend here of a pickup in realized volatility. Looking at VVIX, measure implied volatility in VIX options, 109 currently, and that's the low end of the range for the week as well, but it's also the low end of the range for the last month. So we are seeing the VVIX coming in quite substantially here this week. And when you look at the options activity today, primarily in the puts, in January and February, we're seeing in January the 23, 22, 20, and 18 lines very active. In February, the 20 and 18 lines very active. It does appear to be some rolling of positions as we're seeing the February 18 line being the most active line here midday. Moving into next week, I want to point out that we do have several things that could influence the vol structure, starting with data points throughout the week, CPI, PPI, and retail sales. Earnings late next week for the banks. All the banks, the big banks are reporting, I shouldn't say all, but a big swath of the banks start reporting next Friday. And stimulus negotiations will also be a factor, I think, as we continue to see this market realizing some upward momentum.